Hello, dear children. I am sure you want to come to school to meet your friends. But now, stay at home and don't be naughty.
Let's do some warm-up activities. Shall we start? Exercise number 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Of exercise number 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's learn something today. So, today we learn the letter E. What sound does E make? E says It's not it's What is this? Elephant. Now children, the elephant is a big animal. Where does he live? It lives in a jungle, deep inside the jungle. Okay. It's an engine. Everybody say engine. The engine pulls the long train. Have you seen an engine? No? Okay. Next time you go to a railway station, ask your mommy to show you where the engine is. Okay? The next picture, third picture. This is envelope. What is the last picture? Egg. Eggs are very, very healthy. It gives you lots of energy and make you a very strong. All should eat eggs in the house, okay? What letter is this? This is letter F. What is the sound of this letter? F. Look at this picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, it's a fish. What is this? Fan. It's very hot summer. You want to put on the fan. Yes? Okay. What are these? These are foods. We already learned about foods, no? What is this? These are flowers.
What is the sound? This is the cow. The sound is of cow. Now tell me, what do you hear? The sound is the dogs are barking. Okay, children, can you all tell me what animal made this sound? This is a cat. What animal made the sound? The sound belongs to the lion. Okay, children, please listen carefully. What is the sound? Sound was for elephant. Okay, children, what animal made the sound? Please tell me. The sound is for horse. All of you, please listen carefully. What is this? This is a frog. The sound was for frog. Okay, children, now let us learn a rhyme. Earlier in school, we learned the rhyme called Chubby Cheeks. Okay, shall we start the rhyme? Are you all ready? Okay, go on. Okay, children, now let us learn a rhyme. Earlier in school, we learned the rhyme called Chubby Cheeks. Okay, shall we start the rhyme? Are you all ready? Okay, go on.
Chubby cheeks. Who's the teacher's pet?
chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes.
So today we have learned the letters E and F and the rhymes. Did you enjoy, children? I too have enjoyed. See you again in our next session. Until that, bye bye.